Hello, energetic learners! Welcome to our Action Verbs adventure, where we'll dive into the world of verbs that make us move. Get ready to jump, dance, and play as we discover the exciting world of action verbs.
Run. Run. Walk. Walk. Jump. Jump. Eat. Eat. Talk. Talk. Write. Write. Read. Read. Dance. Dance. Sing. Sing. Swim. Swim. Climb. Climb. Drive. Drive. Cook. Cook. Clean. Clean. Play. Play. Study. Study. Think. Think. Laugh. Laugh. Cry. Cry. Smile. Smile. Blink. Blink. Listen. Listen. Touch. Touch. Feel. Feel. See. See. Listen. Listen. Taste. Taste. Smell. Smell. Kick. Kick. Punch. Punch. Push. Push. Pull. Pull. Lift. Lift. Carry. Carry. Throw. Throw. Catch. Catch. Drop. Drop. Bend. Bend. Turn. Turn. Spin. Spin. Roll. Roll. Shake. Shake. Wave. Wave. Point. Point. Clap. Clap. Snap. Snap. Bow. Bow. Glide. Glide. Slide. Slide. Hug. Hug. Kiss. Kiss.
Wow, what an adventure we had exploring action verbs! Remember, whether you're running, jumping, dancing, swimming, or climbing, there's an action verb for every move you make.
Watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.